Hello everyone, myself Rishabh Malviya, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Pharmacy, School of Medical and Allied Sciences, Galgotias University. Today we will discuss about semi-solid dosage form and specifically pharmaceutical cream. Pharmaceutical cream can be defined as semi-solid dosage form which are generally applied externally over the skin or mucous membrane. It is opaque, soft solids or thick liquids intended for external application. It is semi-solid in nature and so pseudoplastic flow. It shows very little yield value. It would not flow under the force of gravity, but small force will initiate flow. Viscous liquids are semi-solid emulsions of either the O by W or W by O type are used to prepare cream. The cream is most frequently applied soft dosage form which are well accepted cosmetically. In most of the cases, creams are used for protective purpose and not for therapeutic effect. Creams are generally used for cosmetic and protective purpose instead of using it as a therapeutic purpose, as a therapeutic formulation. Now we will discuss about the method of preparation of creams. Fusion method is well accepted method used to prepare a pharmaceutical cream. It is suitable when ointment base contains a number of solid ingredients of different melting point. In this preparation method, ointment base are melted in decreasing order of their melting point. Highest melting point should be melted first, followed by low melting point. This avoids overheating of substances of low melting point and prevent their degradation. Furthermore, incorporate medicament slowly to the melted mass. Stir thoroughly until mass cools down and homogeneous product is formed. Liquid ingredients or aqueous substance should be heated to the same temperature as the melted base before addition. If not, wax or solid will cool down quickly and get separated. It is a simple formula to prepare citrimide ointment. To prepare and dispense 100 gram of citrimide ointment, the quantity of ingredients citrimide is 1 gram, cetoestearyl alcohol is 10 gram, whites of paraffin is 10 gram, liquid paraffin 29 gram, and pure purified water 50 gram. These are the ingredients which are used to prepare 100 gram of citrimide ointment, and in this preparation citrimide is used as a drug, as a API to show the therapeutic effect, while cetoestearyl alcohol, whites of paraffin, liquid paraffin and pure water is used as a base to prepare citrimide ointment. To prepare citrimide ointment, melt ointment base in decreasing order of their melting point. Dissolve citrimide in water and heat the solution, and mix citrimide solution to hot molten mass and stir properly for the uniform distribution of API, that is citrimide, into the base. Stir until citrimide is uniformly distributed throughout the base. From the complete study, it can be summarized that creams are the semi-solid dosage form which are opaque in nature and used externally. Creams show very little yield value, and creams can be prepared by method called as fusion method. And in the fusion method, the ingredients are added on the basis of decreasing order of their melting point. Different questions can be arises after the complete study, and question may be: define cream. What are the different methods which are used for the preparation of cream? What are the precautions should be taken during manufacturing of cream? Prepare and dispense 100 gram of citrimide ointment, and discuss the procedure for the formulation of cream. These are the common questions which are arises after the complete study. Here are some references which can be referred for further advanced study about the semi-solid dosage form, specifically the cream. Thank you very much for your kind attention. You can refer given email ID and contact number for any query. Thank you once again.